Since the dawn of humanity, we have gazed up at the stars, our eyes filled with wonder and curiosity. The night sky, with its twinkling stars and vast expanse, has always been a source of inspiration and mystery. We have pondered our place in the vast universe, questioning our existence and seeking to understand the cosmos that surrounds us. Throughout history, we have searched for patterns, for meaning, for a connection to something greater than ourselves. Ancient astronomers meticulously charted the stars, creating maps and calendars that guided their civilizations. What if I told you that the universe is not a random collection of stars and planets, but a grand design, a cosmic blueprint written in the language of mathematics and geometry? This idea challenges us to see the cosmos not as a chaotic expanse, but as a meticulously crafted masterpiece. This is the essence of sacred geometry, an ancient wisdom that reveals the hidden order and interconnectedness of all things. Sacred geometry teaches us that the universe is a harmonious system, where every part is intricately connected to the whole. For centuries, mystics, philosophers, and scientists have studied the principles of sacred geometry, believing that they hold the key to unlocking the secrets of creation. They delved into ancient texts, observed natural phenomena, and engaged in deep philosophical discussions to uncover the truths hidden within these geometric patterns. They observed that certain geometric shapes and patterns appear repeatedly in nature, from the smallest atom to the largest galaxy. These recurring patterns, such as the spiral of a shell or the structure of a galaxy, suggest a fundamental design that permeates all levels of existence. These shapes, they believed, were not merely coincidences, but expressions of a fundamental cosmic order that underlies all of reality. The hexagonal structure of a honeycomb, the branching of trees, and the formation of crystals all point to a deeper universal blueprint. Imagine a universe where every snowflake, every seashell, every galaxy is a reflection of the same divine proportions. Each snowflake with its unique yet symmetrical design, and each seashell with its precise spiral, are manifestations of this cosmic order. These patterns are not just beautiful, they are a testament to the underlying principles that govern the universe. Every galaxy, with its spiraling arms, follows the same mathematical rules that shape the smallest particles. This is the world that sacred geometry invites us to explore. A world where art, science, and spirituality converge to reveal the hidden beauty and harmony of the cosmos. By studying these patterns, we can gain a deeper understanding of the universe and our place within it. Sacred geometry bridges the gap between the tangible and the intangible, showing us that the universe is a symphony of shapes and forms, all connected by a common thread of divine proportion. Sacred geometry is often referred to as the language of creation because it is believed to be the framework upon which the universe was built. Just as a musician uses notes to create music, or an architect uses blueprints to design a building, the universe, according to this ancient wisdom, uses geometric shapes and proportions to manifest all that we see and experience. At the heart of sacred geometry lie a few fundamental shapes, each with its own unique properties and symbolism. These shapes, including the circle, the square, the triangle, and the spiral, are considered to be the building blocks of creation, the archetypal patterns that repeat themselves at all levels of existence. These shapes are not merely abstract concepts, but living forces that shape the flow of energy and information throughout the universe. They are the invisible scaffolding upon which the tapestry of life is woven, connecting all things in a web of intricate relationships. One of the most recognizable and profound symbols in sacred geometry is the flower of life. This intricate pattern, formed by multiple overlapping circles, has been found in ancient temples and sacred sites around the world, suggesting that its significance has been recognized by cultures across time and space. The flower of life is believed to be a visual representation of the interconnectedness of all life. Each circle within the pattern represents a soul, and the overlapping lines symbolize the relationships and connections between them. It is a reminder that we are all part of a larger whole, interconnected and interdependent, like the cells in a living organism. Within the flower of life, we find other sacred geometric shapes, including the Vesic Capus and the seed of life, further emphasizing its importance as a fundamental pattern of creation. It is a symbol of unity, harmony, and the infinite potential that lies dormant within the seed of consciousness. Section 4. Vesica Piscis, the womb of existence. The Vesica Piscis, Latin for fish bladder, is a shape formed by the intersection of two circles with the same radius, where the center of each circle lies on the circumference of the other. This geometric form has been revered across various cultures and epochs, symbolizing a multitude of profound concepts. This simple yet profound symbol holds deep meaning in sacred geometry, representing the union of opposites and the creation of new life. It is a visual representation of the interconnectedness of all things, a bridge between the physical and the metaphysical realms. The Vesica Piscis is often associated with the feminine principle, representing the womb, the source of creation. In many ancient cultures, this symbol was revered as a representation of the divine feminine, the nurturing and life-giving force of the universe. It is the shape that is formed when a cell divides, symbolizing the birth of something new from the union of two. This biological process mirrors the spiritual and philosophical significance of the Vesica Piscis, illustrating how life perpetuates through cycles of division and union. In Christian art, the Vesica Piscis is often used as an aureole surrounding Jesus Christ, signifying his divine origin and his role as a bridge between heaven and earth. This sacred geometry is not just a symbol, but a testament to the interconnectedness of spiritual beliefs across different cultures and religions. This sacred shape is a reminder that creation is an ongoing process, a dance between duality and unity. It teaches us that life is a continuous interplay of opposing forces, each giving rise to the other in an eternal cycle. It is through the union of opposites, the merging of light and darkness, masculine and feminine, that new life emerges and the universe continues to unfold. The Vesica Piscis serves as a powerful symbol of this eternal dance, reminding us of the beauty and complexity of existence. Throughout history, scholars, artists, and mystics have been captivated by the Vesica Piscis, incorporating it into their works to convey deeper truths about the nature of reality. This symbol transcends time and culture, offering a glimpse into the universal principles that govern our existence. Even in contemporary times, the Vesica Piscis continues to inspire, appearing in modern architecture and art. Its timeless appeal lies in its ability to encapsulate the essence of creation, unity, and the perpetual dance of life. As we gaze upon the stars and contemplate the vastness of the universe, the Vesica Piscis reminds us of our place within this grand tapestry. It is a symbol that connects us to the cosmos, to each other, and to the very essence of life itself. The womb of existence, the Vesica Piscis, is more than just a geometric shape. It is a profound reminder of the interconnectedness of all things, the unity of opposites, and the eternal cycle of creation and rebirth. Section 5. The Fibonacci Spiral, Nature's Golden Ratio. The Fibonacci sequence, named after the Italian mathematician Leonardo Fibonacci, is a series of numbers in which each number is the sum of the two preceding ones. 0, 1, 1, 2, 3, 5, 8, 13, 21, and so on. This sequence, though it starts with simple numbers, unfolds into a pattern that has fascinated mathematicians, scientists, and artists for centuries. It is a sequence that appears in various forms and structures, both in the abstract world of mathematics and the tangible world around us. This seemingly simple sequence, however, gives rise to a remarkable phenomenon known as the golden ratio, a proportion that is found throughout the natural world. The golden ratio, approximately 1.618, is not just a number but a fundamental characteristic of the universe. It is a ratio that appears in the most unexpected places, from the spirals of galaxies to the patterns of hurricanes, and even in the way plants grow and animals form. When we divide a number in the Fibonacci sequence by the one before it, we get closer and closer to the golden ratio, approximately 1.618. This ratio, often represented by the Greek letter phi, is a cornerstone in the study of aesthetics and natural patterns. It is a ratio that has been used by architects and artists to create works that are pleasing to the eye, and it is a ratio that nature uses to create forms that are efficient and harmonious. This ratio, often represented by the Greek letter phi, is found in the spiral patterns of seashells, such as the nautilus shell, which grows in a logarithmic spiral that adheres to the principles of the golden ratio. The nautilus shell is a perfect example of how nature uses this ratio to create structures that are both beautiful and functional. The arrangement of seeds in a sunflower, where each seed is positioned at a specific angle to the next, creating a pattern that maximizes the use of space and resources. Similarly, the branching of trees follows a pattern that allows for optimal sunlight exposure and nutrient distribution, all guided by the principles of the Fibonacci sequence and the golden ratio, and even the proportions of the human body. The human body, with its intricate design, also follows the golden ratio. From the proportions of our limbs to the structure of our faces, the golden ratio is a blueprint that nature uses to create forms that are both functional and aesthetically pleasing. The Fibonacci spiral and the golden ratio are not merely mathematical curiosities, but expressions of an underlying principle of growth and harmony that permeates the natural world. They are principles that guide the formation of galaxies, the structure of DNA, and the patterns of weather systems. They are principles that connect the smallest particles to the largest structures in the universe. They are a testament to the interconnectedness of all things and the elegant simplicity of the universe's design. The Fibonacci sequence and the golden ratio remind us that there is a profound order and beauty in the world around us, an order that we are a part of and that we can see reflected in the patterns of nature and the cosmos. If you enjoyed this exploration of nature's golden ratio, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Muse of Knowledge, where we seek the secrets of the universe. Join us on this journey of discovery and wonder.